Package height 8. 255 centimeters. Package length 0. 635 centimeters. Package width 8. 255 centimeters. Product type electronic cable. 6.35 millimeters, 1/4 inch, mono plug, male, to 2 RCA Jack, female, splitter adapter. Gold plated. Item received may not match photo or specs shown. It is manufactured from China. Top reviews from the United States. Always need. When you work with live sound, sometimes you need these adapters. They work great and well made. You can never have too many. Just never know when you will need one. Stereo to mono adapter works great. Ran the stereo output of my computer into the mono input of the PA amp. Worked great, thanks. Compact design, works very well. I use this to plug my wireless Sennheiser headphones into my stereo amplifier. The Monoprice adapter replaces a Y adapter that one of my kids, still don't know which one, destroyed. I don't have golden ears, but I think the sound quality is a little better with the Monoprice splitter. It's fine. Always had good luck with their products.